What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Girls by Girl in Red. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's only got 2 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a B flat major 7. It's going to be the 6th fret on the low E with your index finger, ring finger on the 8th fret with your of the A string with your ring finger, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the D string with your middle finger. You're only playing those 3 strings, and then move that exact same formation down to 1, 3, 2. First fret low E string with your index finger, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D. So B flat major 7, F major 7. Your strumming pattern is very simple. It's just down, up, 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 down, up. And it just alternates between both of the chords. It looks like down, up, 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 down, up. And again, that just repeats throughout the entire song. So there you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.